Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing another Beyblade Burst Rise unboxing. So yeah, if you can't tell, it's Guard Draciel S, the red variant. Another exclusive, not sort of exclusive, but yeah, early access for me, at least. Even earlier than Zenki. Again, I'm just saying that because I actually like the kid. I'm a huge fan. I comment on his videos and also on Instagram. And I'll be putting his Instagram and my Instagram in the description box below. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Let's go. It comes with a 1, not 1 dash, or they could have done 1 dash at least, and Atomic S. So yeah, let me show you the back. There we go. Attack 5, Burst 2. It's gonna be weak. Defense 8, weight 3, 2 agility and 1 stamina. And power is 4 and speed is 2. So yeah, let's get into the actual unboxing. Okay. Let's go. Oh god, I need to keep it down. It's late. And same day recording as same day actually. It's still the 4th. August 4th. Still. Actually, let me get the Atomic. Oh, cool. Vomit yellow. Yeah, vomit yellow. Yeah, vomit yellow a bit. There it is. I'll be doing some battles with this guy. So stay tuned for that. It's a pretty free spin. Yeah. One. Yay. And we'll be doing a battle between the original ones. Original combos. There we go. The red variant. Gray, yellow. A decent one. Another spark. Clear. Sorry, clear. Here's the code if you want it. Pretty cool base. Overall, let's see if it's as strong as the last one. Hopefully. Oh, yeah. There we go. Oh, come on. Really? It's pretty strong, but it's very, very loose. Right up here. Gets harder right here. Then burst. But yeah, and they kind of nerfed it a bit, but it's okay. It's a good base so far. Nice little recolor. So yeah, stay tuned for a battle video with all 3 of these guys. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.